Yo, how's it going, guys? Andre here with you guys again. So today I might just be going over one pair since it is December. Market has been acting super slow, so there hasn't been much going on besides on GPJPY, which I am going to be looking to get in for a selling position. So I'm gonna just go ahead and explain the reason behind why I'm getting for that sell. So as you guys could see, if we go to the daily time frame here, looking at the daily time frame perspective, we could actually see how market recently right here in this area where we see this push to the upside, this is where banks got in for buying positions to do what? To come and clear out the buy stops that we had in this area, which is the liquidity zone, which is also called our buy side liquidity. So what market do? It went ahead and clear out all this buy side liquidity that we left right here, which this right here is where we had buy stops of retail traders. So what happened after that? Market went to the upside, took right through those areas to now start creating that retracement. So all I'm doing is catching that daily retracement to the downside, which could be a good 100 pips to 150 pips. But overall, I'm still looking for market to keep on rising to the upside and clear out my relevant old high that we have up here, which our first target, if we are targeting for a buy, which we're not going to be going on a buy in this video, more than likely on the next video, we'll be going over that buy position that I'm going to be looking for. But right now, at this very moment, I'm just looking in for that selling position. So just looking at here on GPJPY, we have that old high that has to be cleared out. So I'm just going to go ahead and mark that zone to get in for a buy there down the road, which would be inside that high and my liquidity that we left right here from that high, which is the highest point it reached. But right now, let's go ahead and focus over here. So over here, I'm just looking for that sell, just catch that retracement. If we go to lower time frames, we could start finding some structure to the downside that creates us selling opportunities. So let's go to the forward time frame. So here on the forward time frame on GPJPY, we could start seeing that downside opportunity to get in for a sell. So coming in here on the 4-hour time frame, we do have this imbalance zone, right? So we have this imbalance area, which is just pure pressure of buyers. So what happened here? The banks got in for those buying positions, like I said, on that big time frame. Here in this lower time frame, you can see it more broken down. So you just see buying pressure to the upside to clear out relevant equal highs that we had in the past, which is the buy side liquidity. So what happens after we created an imbalance area? After we create that imbalance area, market's going to start looking to get in for shorts. Why? Because this right here can act also as an empty gap. So what does market do when we have gaps in the market? They tend to be fulfilled. Like over here in the past, we have this gap right here. What happened here? Market came and filled in that area once again. So same thing with the imbalance areas where you have pure pressure of buyers or pure pressure of sellers. You're going to be looking to get in for buys or sells to fill in that empty area, which is just a gap, right? So right now I'm looking for market to come in and reach into that zone, fill in this empty gap, which would be around all this right here to down here to clear out the relevant equal load that we left down here inside the liquidity, which is our overall take profit that we would be having on GPJPY. If you clear out that low, when we clear that low, we can now start looking for buying opportunities away from market to reach a bit lower inside this area, which is where we have our 4-hour commission price candle, which is the last bearish candle before the push to the upside, which is that right there, right? So I want to go ahead and look to get in for buys around here or buys around in this area, which would be clearing out the old load that we had in the past. So just coming into the 1-hour time frame, in the 1-hour time frame, we could start seeing confirmation for us to get in even better for that selling position. So me recently, I just got in for that sell. But just to have a stronger confirmation here, I'm going to see what area's been respecting my fib. So I'm going to go ahead and mark my fib level on the 1-hour time frame. So in the 1-hour time frame, I'm going to mark that fib level from that start of the impulse to then the impulse, which will be right here. So let's expand that area. And as we could see, market has just perfectly been bouncing out of that 7.9 and that 7.05 fib level, which are the very important areas, which you could also call the golden pocket. On top of that, we do also have that very respecting this accumulation price candle, which is our last bullish candle before the push down. So what happened? Markets are going to the upside, tapped inside that area, which is around 50% of that accumulation price candle. At the same time, which it is the 7.9 fib level, which is our golden pocket, to start getting in for selling position. So me personally, I could got in for a sale right here. A sale here once again if I missed out on this one. Why? Because we came back and retraced into that same range into the 7.9. And currently right now we see market how it has came and got perfectly rejected from the 7.05 fib level, which that 7.05 fib level is where I would have got in. I got in a little bit late. I kind of got in the next hour of the candle, which was around this area. I'm currently running in profits right now. I actually sent this trade out to my group of students in PPC as well, so they could be jumping on those trades that I'm jumping on as well. Also, you guys do want to learn more about PPC, just go ahead and click the link in bio. I have a lot of information there talking about PPC. I do go over live sessions, and I do teach my students in live sessions as well to take live trades. So right here, my stop loss, getting back into it, my stop loss, I'm gonna have it just about like around 38 pips, which is above our accumulation hour price candle here. Because once we reach above this area, which is accumulation hour price candle, that means that market should no longer be respected to the downside and should now start going to the upside. And my take profit is very, very simple. My first take profit, I do have it in my 1 hour imbalance. So we left right here on this 1 hour imbalance. So we have this 1 hour imbalance right there, boom, right here, which is also as well our accumulation hour price candle from that 1 hour imbalance, which that would be our first TP. Our stop loss would be 38 pips. First take profit, first target is around at 90 pips. Second target is down here, right where we have this accumulation hour price candle, right? We had the old low to be cleared out, which is at 159 pips to 160 pips. And our last take profit will be right on our last accumulation hour price candle that we have right here that has never been tested before. So since it's never been tested before, it's most likely to come back down into that area and get tested. So we can now start looking for good buying positions. So our overall TP is an overall range of 253 pips, risking 38 pips. So with that being said, this will conclude today's video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Everybody go ahead and click that smash button below, click that like, comment for anything that you guys want to see next, and I'll see you guys in the next video.